In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wave versus Excel for bookkeeping 2026. Which should you use? If you're deciding between these two tools, this guide will help you choose the best fit for your business. Both can track income and expenses, but they take very different approaches. Excel gives you full manual control and deep flexibility, while Wave automates many bookkeeping tasks and makes accounting more approachable for beginners. We'll compare pricing, ease of use, automation, reporting, and overall value so you can make a confident choice. Let's start with Wave. It's one of the most beginner-friendly accounting tools available today. A major advantage is pricing. Wave offers a free starter plan with unlimited invoices, expense tracking, estimates, customer management, and basic bookkeeping tools. For many freelancers and small business owners, that can replace manual spreadsheets entirely. If you want more automation, the Pro plan is around $190 per year and adds automatic bank imports, receipt scanning, smart transaction categorization, automated payment, reminders, and enhanced payment processing tools. Automation is Wave's biggest strength. Instead of entering each transaction by hand, you can connect your bank, import activity, and let the software help categorize expenses. Wave also generates reports for you, including profit and loss, expense summaries, sales, and tax-related reports, so you can review performance without building formulas. The dashboard is modern, straightforward, and designed for non-accountants, which makes it ideal for freelancers, consultants, side hustlers, service businesses, and anyone who needs simple bookkeeping. Keep in mind, Wave offers fewer customization options than a spreadsheet, and as operations get more complex, some businesses may eventually need more advanced accounting software. Now let's talk about Excel. It remains one of the most widely used bookkeeping tools in the world and is included with Microsoft 365. In 2026, typical pricing includes a personal plan around $99.99 per year for one user, a family plan around $129.19 per year for up to 6 users, and a premium option around $199.99 per year with enhanced AI and Copilot features. Unlike Wave, Excel is completely manual. You build your own spreadsheets, formulas, categories, and reports from scratch. Excel's biggest advantage is flexibility. You can tailor expense trackers, income sheets, budgets, financial forecasts, tax spreadsheets, and profit calculations exactly to your workflow. That also gives you complete control. You set the rules, structure, and layout without software limitations. It's great for simple personal bookkeeping, custom business reports, budget planning, offline bookkeeping, and unique tracking needs. The trade-offs are time and accuracy risks. Manual entry takes longer, invites errors, and there's no automatic bank syncing, built-in invoicing, or accounting automation unless you create it yourself. As a business grows, maintaining everything in Excel can become harder than using a dedicated tool like Wave. So which should you use in 2026? If you want automated bookkeeping, invoicing, and beginner-friendly tools, Wave is likely the better choice. If you prefer full customization and manual control, Excel can still work well. For most freelancers and small businesses, Wave saves more time and reduces manual work. For spreadsheet experts who want complete flexibility, Excel remains a powerful option. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other accounting software tutorials and comparisons. See you in the next video.